In my bowl, I have here about a cup of peanut butter and approximately half a cup of coconut oil, and I'm going to blend those together. And now I'm going to add some confectioner's sugar. And when it's crumbly like that, I'm going to add a bit of milk. I'm adding coconut milk. Okay, so that's 1 cup of icing sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, and half a cup of coconut oil. And you could bake your own cookies for these, but I'm going to use these Maria cookies. And I'm going to start with 1 biscuit. And I'm going to apply my peanut butter mixture. I'm putting it on quite thick. And then I'll place another biscuit over. And then just smooth that out. And then I'm going to take a bit of my mixture and about a half a teaspoon of cocoa and a bit more milk. And I'm going to mix. And that's too runny, so I'll add a bit more of my peanut butter mixture. Like that. You want it to be approximately the same consistency as the peanut butter one. And I'm going to slather that on. And place another cookie over the top and smooth that out. Like that. And then I'm going to place those into the refrigerator to set up. Okay, these have firmed up now. I put them in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. I'm going to suspend them up on some knives so that the chocolate can drip down. And I have some melted chocolate, and I'm going to drizzle that all the way around so that it drips down on the sides. And then I'm going to put some nuts on the top. And those will set up quite quickly because the cookie is already been chilled. And that's how they look. So I'm just going to let those set up, and then I'll show you how they look when they're all finished. And here they are, finished. Here's how they look. And there's how they look from the side. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.